In the realm of personal finance, the path to prosperity is paved with insights that successful individuals have accumulated over years of experience. As a self-made millionaire with over 2 decades of trial and error under my belt, I've come to understand the profound significance of these money secrets that the ultra-rich have mastered. Now, at 64, I generate income from my 18 established companies and my impressive portfolio of 12,000 apartment units. Throughout my investing journey, I've had the privilege of forming connections with numerous millionaires, allowing me to closely observe their financial habits. Here, I present to you 8 crucial money strategies that distinguish the wealthy from the rest of us. 1. Strategic investment diversification. While diversifying investments is a common financial principle, the wealthiest individuals often follow a different trajectory. Initially, they channel their resources into their own ventures, embracing calculated risks. It's a pattern that involves going all in on personal projects before branching out to diversify their portfolio as earnings increase. This approach mirrors Elon Musk's journey. He invested the entirety of his $22 million earnings from the sale of Zip2 into his next venture, X.com, which later merged with PayPal, propelling him to further success in Tesla and SpaceX. 2. Mindful approach to debt. Distinguishing between business and personal debt is a hallmark of the wealthy's financial acumen. Rather than accumulating debt on non-essential purchases, they prioritize directing funds towards wealth-generating endeavors. This approach ensures that money isn't squandered on interest payments. I personally chose to channel my earnings into expanding my businesses and paid cash for my homes, avoiding credit card interest altogether. 3. Rethinking homeownership. Contrary to the conventional belief that homeownership is the ultimate achievement, the wealthy often prioritize alternative investments. While I own 3 properties, I only acquired them once I could do so with cash. This perspective is driven by the recognition that homeownership doesn't consistently offer the same return on investment as other avenues. 4. Thriving with cash flow real estate. Cash flow real estate, characterized by consistent monthly profits from rent after accounting for expenses like mortgages, taxes, and maintenance, emerges as a favored route for wealth accumulation. This strategy offers passive income streams and a simplified sales process compared to selling primary residences. When selling a rental property, the focus is on potential profitability rather than envisioning the property as a personal home. 5. Embracing bulk purchases. Wealthy individuals demonstrate a willingness to invest more per purchase in exchange for economies of scale and time efficiency. Whether in business or personal life, buying in bulk delivers cost savings and minimizes redundant efforts. Personally, I opt to procure non-perishable items in bulk whenever possible. 6. Nurturing a valuable network. Building and nurturing connections is an investment in itself. The wealthy recognize the power of relationships in their endeavors. Many of the properties I own were secured due to pre-existing relationships, instilling confidence in my capabilities. Investing time and resources into cultivating meaningful connections translates into enhanced opportunities, expedited decision-making, and improved margins. 7. Embodying the mindset of continuous growth. Contentment rarely aligns with the wealthy's mindset. Instead of resting on their laurels, they relentlessly pursue new achievements. A close friend, a seasoned CEO, shared that the wealthy share an insatiable appetite for progress. This unyielding drive fuels their capacity to envision and execute new business ideas, innovations, investments, and sources of wealth. 8. Leveraging delegation for optimal efficiency. The wealthy acknowledge time as an invaluable and irreplaceable resource. With this realization, they prioritize efficiency by relinquishing the need for micromanagement. Delegating responsibilities to capable individuals who trade their time for money becomes a cornerstone of effective time management. In conclusion, the strategies employed by the wealthy stand as a testament to their insightful financial wisdom. By adopting these approaches, strategic investment diversification, mindful debt management, alternative investments, cash flow real estate, bulk purchasing, relationship cultivation, a growth-oriented mindset, and effective delegation, you can significantly transform your financial trajectory. These principles, when embraced with discipline and focus, can pave the way for lasting financial success and prosperity.